Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Telegram tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Telegram account. So you can see on my interface here, I'm going to walk you guys through the procedures involved. So on Telegram you can self-exclude yourself for a month, 18 months, 24 months and the rest. But then the procedure in doing this is a bit complicated. That's why I'm making this video. A lot of people have been asking this question online and on YouTube as well. That's why I'm answering this question. So now let's move here to this side, and now let's move to settings. So on our settings page, let's scroll down here. Good. And let's come here, and now let's move to our privacy and security option, and here to scroll down to this side. Good. And you can see delete my account. So deleting your account on Telegram is a bit complicated. I'm going to give you guys some brief explanations here. So self-destructive, inactive. So you can exclude yourself for a month, 3 months, the rest, 18 months and the rest. So this is how you delete an account on Telegram. So you can see on Telegram it works like this. So let's say I choose 1 month. So in this case, if I don't come online at least once within this month, my account will be deleted. So they have a default setting on, I think, 12 months. So anytime you create a Telegram account, they give you a default setting which is 12 months. So when you install it and you uninstall it and you don't come online for a whole year, that's when they delete your account. That's why they tell you when you're in a group and your admin has been inactive for some time, they tell you the admin has been inactive for some time, so his or her account has been deleted. That's how they work, because I think they have a cloud storage for every number that registered on net. So I think they try to save storage, something like that. So here, if you want to delete your account, you just choose 1 month and then you don't come online. You just uninstall it, you don't come online. They are going to, delete your account just like that. So you can choose 3 months. So if you don't come online within these 3 months, you're going to do that for 18 months and the rest. So that's it on how you can, delete your Telegram account. So if you are new here, you do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. And then check out my other tutorial videos on Telegram. So that's it for the video once again. Peace.